Theta is equal to this, t is equal to this. This is the formula here. Convert to straight line formula. Let's do that first of all. Take logs because we got an exponential and natural logarithms. ln theta then. We need theta minus 20 first of all, don't we? Before we take logs. So theta minus 20 then is equal to ae to the bt. That's better. Now take natural logs. Log of theta minus 20 is log of this times you add, so it's log a plus log of e to the bt. So we've got ln theta minus 20 then is equal to, the bt comes down, bt plus the log a. Log e is 1, bt log e is 1, plus the log a. So y is equal to mx plus c. So we've got all the correspondences here, haven't we? There's x and y and m and c. Yeah, that's fine. So we now need our data. We'll need theta minus 20 really. So I'm going to do theta minus 20. ln theta minus 20 is the y. So I'll write that second. The x is the t, so that's good, which is the t. So that would be 0, 5, 10, 20, 30. 0, 5, 10, 20 and 30. Then we need the y, which is just the ln theta minus 20. So what have we got? We got 170, so that's ln of 80, ln of 50, because I've taken 20 away from both of them. 50, 30, 25, ln 30, ln 10, and ln 5. There we go. That's that one. And then we need the products, the xy's. That's a 0, is it? Was it 0? Yep. So that times that is 0. 5 ln 50, 10 ln 30, 20 ln 10, and 30 ln 5. And then we got the x squareds. 0, 25, 100, 400, and 30 squared is 900. So here's our table. We need to sum them, and we need x bar and y bar. So summation of the x's, 50, 65, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 65 over 5 is 13. Y bar is going to be that over 5. Okay, so we could do that then, couldn't we, I suppose? And then we got this to add up as well. So we got ln 80, ln, let's just do this quickly, plus ln 50, plus ln 30, plus ln 10, plus ln 5. Okay. ln 5, ln 10, ln 30, ln 50, ln 80. Doesn't take a moment to check. 15.60727. 15.60727. Divide that by 5. Well, I'm not going to do that because I'm going to keep my top bit here first of all. So I got 5 log 50. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to delete that one and delete that, and I'm going to do 5 times log 50 plus 10 times log 30 plus 20 times log 10 plus 30 log 5. 30 times log 5. 147,90692. 147,90692, was it? 692, ... Summation of the x squared, 1300, 1425. Okay, so there's our numbers then, as far as I can see. So we need to write down our formula for m. is equal to, is the summation of the xy's minus n x bar y bar divided by the summation of the x squareds minus n x bar squared, if I remember rightly, and c is equal to, let me just double check my formula with my bookwork. C is equal to y bar minus mx bar. There we go. Everything seems okay. Alright, good. Okay, so what have we got for m then? Let's put the numbers in and see what we get. Summation of the xy's is here, which is in the calculator anyway. So there's that. So bracket answer. That's the summation of the xy's. Minus, now 5 times 65 over 5 is just 65. Save me writing more in. Times 15.6027 times 15.60727. Y divided by 5 is y bar. That's the top. Divided by the bottom. Summation of the x squareds. 1425 minus 5 times x bar squared, so 5 times, now x bar was 13, so just put it in like that, is easiest. Okay, equals minus 0.09 minus 0.0948 dot dot dot. Now what did m correspond to? Was b. Okay, that was b. So that's equal to minus 0.095 then, isn't it? 3 decimal places. Okay, c is equal to y bar minus mx bar. So we got m in the calculator here, and it's minus m, so it's y bar minus mx bar. So 15.60727 y bar, so divide that by 5, minus m, so it's going to be a plus, isn't it? Minus answer's negative, so that makes that a plus, times x bar, which is 13. 4.359. So c is equal to 4.359. Now what does c correspond to in the problem? Log a. So that tells us that, which is log a. So a will equal, unwrap the log e to that value. Shift e to the ants. 77.78. So it's 77.78. That was to 2 decimal places we did that. Or you could do it to 77.8 to 1 decimal place as a reasonable approximation. So we've got a and m is the value b. And we got a, so we can write down the formula now. Theta minus 20, or theta equals 20, plus ae to the b to t. Theta equals 20 plus a e to the b, which is minus 0.095t. There's the formula then. So temperature. Okay, so what will the temperature be after 15 minutes, it asks for. So T equals 15. Theta is equal to, let's put it in. I'll put the calculator over here when T is 15. 20 plus 77.8 times E to the minus 0.095 times 15. equals 38.7. And the other problem, that was when t was 15. Just have a look at it back up here. When theta is equal to 60, what's the time? So put 60 in. (0.95t) minus the 20 is 40 equals 77 e to the minus 95t. Move the 70 down, 77 down, e to the minus 0.095t, and then we can get the time, can't we? So I'll just move that up here to give some room. T is equal to, well, let's just take the log to base e, move the e down to become the log, minus 0.095t is equal to ln 40 over 77, and that tells us what t is. Ln of 40 over 77 divided by this number, minus 0.095. That's it. Let's type that in. So ln of 40 divided by 77 divided by bracket, because it's a negative number, minus 0.095. This always looks better like that. Equals 6.89. So 6.89, and that was the 2 decimal places, and that's the time.